Hey there, how you doing? Charlie Winters here with horse racing tips for Saturday the 30th of November. Well, I'm doing a quick update. I put another bet on, it's £9.90. So what I'm going to do is, these prices are too big to ignore. It may look a bit of a daft bet to some, but this is what I'll be doing. So it's 15 pence each way doubles, 10 pence each way trebles. So these are the selections. I just think they're all vulnerable favourites. I'm outside currently, so I'm keeping my voice down. So the first race is the 11:42 at Doncaster. I've gone for three selections. I've gone for Moran's Law at 125 to 1, Natus Vincia at 40 to 1, and Supreme George at 20 to 1. I just think the fancied horses are vulnerable. There's definitely one place up for grabs, and hopefully one of these can fill that place. Hopefully one of them can win. The next race, I've looked at this. Picked two selections in it. It's in the 2 minutes past 2 race at Doncaster. There could be a bit of a pace battle in front, so I've gone for two horses that are normally off the pace but are in decent form still. So it's the 2 minutes past 2 race. They're paying three places instead of two. That's partly why I've gone for it. Well, especially why I've gone for it. So the horses are Admiralty House and two to Tango. They're roughly about 9s and 10 to 1. And the final race is, and this is the one where people might scratch their heads because there's now 7 runners, but I think there's an opportunity to take both the favourite and the second favourite on. Neither of them will be tuned up for this race. There's bigger prizes further down the line. You've got Cheltenham, you've got Aintree. There's so many question marks over Nicky Henderson's stable. So Nicky Henderson he's had some winners, but you need to bear in mind that those horses have been shortish prices, so they have been expected to run well. But there are too many that aren't running well. So it's in the 10 past 2 at Newcastle. They're only paying first two. So the three selections I've gone for are Tell Her the Name, Take No Chances, and Kihava. If it turns into a sprint, Take No Chances and Kihava have got every chance. If they're dawdling for the first a mile and 6 furlong, you can give them a chance because it turns into a 2 furlong sprint. I have picked a front runner as well, which is Tell Her the Name, but it will dictate the pace. It's put up some very good efforts. However, all three selections are miles behind on the ratings. So I'm not telling you something that they're going to win on ratings or they're going to come placed on ratings. I believe they could come placed purely for the fact it could be a tactical race. And I think partly that's why Dan Skelton's put Take No Chances in this race, because it's got a turn of foot. So three interesting selections. I'll leave it with you. My bets are on. I'm not telling you to put the bet on, but just three horses or several horses that have got chances in possibly tactical races. So I wish you the very best of luck. Charlie Winters, over and out. Cheers, mate.